I'm feeling nervous going into the tasting. I'm pretty sure I'll probably get a bit of a grilling. It's going to be tough, and, you know, I might have to really fight to stay in this competition.
So what do we got here, Stu?
Well, it's a goat curry. The rice is coconut rice. The chutney has apple, pear, peppers, a little bit of chilli. The roti is there as well with a bit of garlic butter on it.
Your roti is your vegetable dish.
Yes. When they said about the vegetable dish, I thought possibly sarcasm was the best way to lighten the blow for myself. Yes, it's got just the smallest bit of garlic in it there.
Because garlic is a vegetable.
Because garlic is a vegetable, correct.
Let's have a taste.
I thought, you know, here we go, and I kind of was just ready to get the criticism.
I find this the darndest thing, this whole plate of food. I just think it's bloody delicious.
Really?
I do, actually.
You have me
I
on.
don't know how you did this, but whatever you did, I'd eat the whole plate and want a beer to go with it, thanks. As a plate, it's a meal. It's really good.
Oh, thank you. Cheers.
I'm absolutely shocked that Ray likes it. Because this, to me, just says something that Ray wouldn't like.
I thought the nice stuff's over, and once again, I'm about to get drilled for the dish.
I thought it looked shocking when you were cooking it. I looked in your pot and I really wondered what you were doing, cooking a goat like that. But this is bang on.
Oh.
I mean, for me, it's fantastic.
Yeah, oh, man, that's awesome.
I mean, I don't really agree with these guys. You know, they say this is a great curry. And I reckon it's a unbelievably sensational bloody curry. I mean, I'm sorry, but it's the best thing I've eaten all day.
Oh, man, I was still in shock from Ray.
We're going to forget about the vegetable missing because the garlic roti is clearly brilliant.
Thanks. I'm thinking that my bags are packed and I'm going home to hopefully staying. I'm over the moon. I couldn't be happier.
Going into the elimination, my gut feeling is, look, I wouldn't be surprised if they said the dream's over.
After the review, I kind of like knew I was in for it.
I'm clinging on to the small glimmer of hope that that someone else would have done worse than I did.
Namaste, everyone. Your brief was to create an Indian meal using lamb, beef, or goat. And you had the added challenge of choosing your own spices using just the look and the smell of them.
Some of you took us to the heart of the subcontinent, and some of you left us up the Ganges without a paddle.
There's a treat in store for the winner, but the person who cooked the least successful dish will be going home.
The only word that's running around in my head is dismal. What was I thinking?
As I call your name, please step forward. Stu, Jax, and Nadia. The three of you cooked the best dishes of the day. Well done.
I'm absolutely stoked to be in the top three. I didn't expect to be there. I thought maybe I'd be a couple of notches down.
Stu, your curry was by far the best thing I tasted all day.
Thank you.
Really good.
I was just over the moon. I was, you know, really proud of what I'd done.
Jax, your dishes were all packed with flavour. It was like I was in the best Indian restaurant in town.
Thank you, Simon.
Today was my day. I got caught up in the top three. I'm just so wrapped because I was so unsure about my ingredients, so just feel brilliant.
Nadia, great presentation, and your dishes worked very well together.
Thanks.
So of all of you, who cooked the best? Stu, yours was the best meat dish of the day, but overall, somebody else delivered us the best Indian experience. Congratulations, Jax. A great meal.
Thank you very much, Ray. Thank you.
You used spices to enhance the food you were cooking, just the way the Indians do. Beautifully cooked rice, that earthy sort of turmeric flavour, the lamb that was so nicely spiced, and that sensational potato and cauliflower dish. You cannot often buy food like that in a restaurant. It was excellent.
Thank you.
Oh, God, love him, isn't he gorgeous? When I left the pantry today and I went back to my station, I really, honestly, 100% felt I was going home. So this, for me, it's just magic. It's magical. It's a dream. It's a dream because it means I can move on in the competition.
Jax, you've done really well in the last few challenges. Do you think you can win this competition?
I'd like to win this competition. That's what I'm here for. Love to. Dream.
Good on you. You know how to make a great curry, and your prize is dinner at such a restaurant with a contestant of your choice. Who will you take with you?
Stu. I'm taking Stu because on the challenge, he surpassed himself, and he's so funny, and I really love him.
I was so glad when Jax picked me. I love my mango chicken, and I'm possibly gonna have it.
Well, enjoy the night, both of you. Nadia, Stu and Jax, please take a seat.
Wow, top 6. It's pretty cool. We're halfway there, which is a big achievement, but it's not big enough yet. While it is sad every time someone leaves because their dream is over, it makes it one step closer for me to winning it.
Tracy Lee, Anthony, Cameron, Michael, a disappointing day for all of you. Your dishes had some major flaws. Weird flavours going on. Some dishes didn't come together at all. Anthony, your dish was violent. You cooked with similar ingredients to Jax, but the difference in the end result was huge. Your curry was like a spicy capsicum stew. You blew it.
To stay in this competition, you only have to be not the worst. I don't want to be leaving today, but it's hard to pick yourself up after such a damaging review.
Cameron, your inexperience with Indian food showed. You'd never cooked a beef curry before, and this was obvious. We notice when it comes to specialist dishes, your lack of knowledge shows. Spanish food wasn't great. Now the Indian cuisine was a letdown.
Oh, mate, I'm off home. That's what I was thinking.
Michael, huge attempt and a big failure in my view.
I'm hoping that my one didn't get the worst review, so hopefully I'll just scrape through.
Tracy Lee, you let yourself down today. We think you're a terrific cook, but we didn't see it in this challenge. But you did just enough to make it through.
Simon says that I've done just enough, and that was all I needed to hear. Man, you know, top 6. Top 6!
Anthony, Cameron, Michael, that leaves the 3 of you. I think you all know you didn't nail it today. Michael, what more have you got to show us?
I've got lots more to show you guys. Just give me another challenge and I'll prove it to you.
Michael, your dish wasn't great. Your curry saved you. But I wouldn't try serving that potato egg dish anywhere. You're still in. You're a very lucky man. Step aside.
It was a huge relief knowing that I managed to get through into the top 6. My strategy now is just going to be try calm things down to a lot less.
Anthony and Cameron, both of you gave us poor attempts in this challenge. You got your spices badly wrong, your flavors were off. They were nowhere near authentic Indian.
We all have our off days, but sadly, one of you is going to go.
I'm pretty worried. I don't want to stay. I want to be here to the end.
I'm feeling nervous. My gut feeling says it will be me.
Cameron, by the merest hint of chili, you're still in. But you're really going to have to lift your game to survive in this competition.
Yeah, it's a big relief getting through to the next round. I totally agree with what they said. You know, it wasn't my forte. I just got to learn from that experience and move on.
Anthony, today just wasn't your day. And I know I speak for all of us when I say we're sorry to see you leave this competition.
Yeah, it was a bad day for me. I know myself, it was way off the mark.
You should be really proud, Anthony. It's top 7, it's a huge achievement. You just need to keep working on your cooking skills and your knowledge. Practice, practice, practice. You'll get there. We wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Anthony, it's now time to leave the MasterChef kitchen.
Okay. Later, guys.
Today's a fair decision. I knew before I walked through the door that I'd be going home today. I'm disappointed that I'm leaving because obviously I entered this thing to win it. But in saying that, I'm also immensely proud of myself. I've met so many great people. I've done so many amazing things. It's going to be a memory that lasts long in my mind.